Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer Cars. Alright, it's winter mode and my wife has a Volkswagen Tiguan that we've had these wheels on it, wheels and tires, for quite some time, many years now actually. These ones are Pirellis, I think. Yeah, they're Pirelli Winter Carving Edge. 215/65 R16. Anyway, they're getting to the point now where they're a little bit bald. It's getting traction lights all the time, even though this is an all-wheel drive vehicle. So we found a deal on Facebook Marketplace, pretty good one too, of these OEM steel wheels, Nitto SN2 winter radials with nice deep grooves to them, so they should be really good. Full set. I'm just going to do the changeover now. My other cars I haven't been doing too much with, but basically what I'm doing tonight, taking those off, putting these on. Got a nice full set. These are in excellent condition. Non-directional too, so it makes them a little bit nicer for doing rotations. These ones were directional, so you could only ever flop them side to side. That's where we're at for winter prep, making the wife's vehicle just a little bit safer. The nice thing is that for steel wheels, they're in really good shape. They're not too rusty. Apparently they've only got a year or two worth of running on them. And these were found through a used sale, but the guy or person, they own a dealership or something. So they were able to clean them, balance them, check them out, make sure that they're good to go. So I have very minimal work to do other than just popping the old ones off and popping the old ones on. And then we'll be able to sell these ones for cheap because there's still a little bit of tread left and they're still really good wheels that can just be cleaned up. If you've never changed your own wheels and tires before, that's the marking you're looking for. That's where you align your jack, because there's a double pinch weld right along the frame there, and that's where you want to align your jack. All right, and like that, we are done. All new four wheels are on, installed and torqued, and here's the old ones. These old ones didn't look that bad, but they actually were. And so even though these don't look like they're down to the wear bars, they were pretty low for tread, so they were due to be replaced. We've had these on since around 2012, 2013, I believe, for the winter, so these should be much better. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.